Hi, my name is Matthew Brown. I'm a developer at EuroForce, and here I will present our proof of concept for bringing AgentForce agents into the support process when manufacturing equipment breaks down, and how the agent supports technicians to resolve work orders in one go. Max, manufacturer at App1 Manufacturing, is concerned that when one of his extruders breaks down, he won't be able to fulfill his customer contracts. Terry, technician at Troester, is on the case and wants to resolve the work order quickly and get the extruder back in working order as soon as possible. Troester has several systems which store client information and technical documents. The agent will know who Max is through the Salesforce community, which equipment App1 Manufacturing has by referencing SAP, and has documentation on hand via SharePoint to guide Max through resolving his issue. The agent handles case and work order creation and assigns them to Terry, who is the right man for the job. When Terry is ready to tackle the case, the agent knows what was previously discussed and can search through technical documents from SharePoint to provide grounded solutions and insights to the technician. The scene begins when Max realizes one of his machines has broken down. He's under a lot of pressure to resolve this quickly so that he can keep on track with his contracts. Max will access Troester's customer portal and, with support from the agent, attempt resolving his problem. He will submit a case and schedule a work order for a technician to come on site. Terry will open his technician portal and, with support from the agent, analyze the work order and find the correct solution to the customer's issue. Let's jump into the demonstration. Here, Max is logging into his customer portal where he can access a chat window to get help with his problem. The agent will greet Max and ask him how he can help. When Max says he's having trouble with his extruder, the agent will reach through MuleSoft, grabbing the equipment corresponding to Max's account through SAP. Max recognizes the serial number here with line number 1 and tells the agent that the first one is having a problem. At this time, the agent has grabbed a do-it-yourself help document from SharePoint, read the document, and is ready to provide support. Max will tell the agent his specific problem. And when the agent sees that the belt is not spinning when the motor is running, he will look into the document and find the corresponding section to provide do-it-yourself help to Max. Max will then go inspect the belt and find that it is torn. In this situation, the belt's torn and Max doesn't have a replacement. He'll ask to open a case, and the agent will summarize the conversation thus far, populating the case subject and description, and assign the case to the correct person, in this case Terry. Since this is a critical issue with the extruder, Max will open up a work order for as soon as possible. Requesting to have one sent tomorrow at 10. The agent will create the work order, linking together the equipment record in Salesforce, the case, and assigning them to Terry so it can be solved tomorrow. And Max can go away happy knowing that someone is on the case to fix his issue. Later, when Terry is at the warehouse, ready to start his day, he'll open up his technician portal and see a new work order has come in regarding replacing the belt on this piece of equipment. He'll see the case as linked and be able to read the case, seeing the description summarized by the agent from earlier. He'll see there's an appointment scheduled for today and the equipment record that is having the problem. When Terry is ready to tackle this problem, he'll take the work order number and ask the agent what he needs to pack along to solve this problem in one go. When Terry asks the agent this, the agent grabs the case and reads the subject and description. The agent then goes into Troester's SharePoint and grabs the corresponding technical document, reads the technical document, and then finds the solution that corresponds to this issue. Here, the belt needs to be replaced. We'll need to pack along tools, safety equipment, the manual, and anything else that will be useful for the job here. And with that, Terry is all set to go solve this problem. So, the agent orchestrated a successful fix for Apple and manufacturing and prevented what could have been a drawn-out crisis. By leveraging information from SharePoint, data in SAP, and records in Salesforce, the agent provided proactive support that minimized production line downtime and contributed to a resolution that maintained customer trust and satisfaction. With the support of a curated AI, the agent fit its support to the exact problem the customer was facing and matched its insights to the documentation that exists within Troester's library. By traversing connections between Troester's systems, the agent delivered seamless and integrated support, which led to an optimal resolution of the case. The agent has transformed Troester's support operations, delivering rapid resolution while optimizing resource utilization and maintaining customer satisfaction. Thank you so much for your time. We look forward to hearing from you.